Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will delve into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 7th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Google as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.4. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned within the middle of a broad and declining trend in the short term, signaling a further decrease within this trend. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately -15.53% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -24.84% to -8.93%. In a longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of -1.58%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -6.10% and 33.63% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $142.15 and $202.28. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, "Significant movements in Google's stock price on Wednesday, fluctuating 11.61% between high and low." The Google stock price declined by 7.26% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, dropping from $163.23 to $151.38. During this trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 11.61%, ranging from a low of $147.84 to a high of $165. The price has been experiencing volatility during this period, resulting in a loss of 2.56% over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume increased on the last day by 108 million shares, albeit with falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 127 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $19.24 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock reached $207.05, while the lowest price was $140.53. Currently, the price is 26.89%, or $55.67, below the 52-week high, and 86.61%, or $979.27, below the all-time high on January 15, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,130.65. Alphabet Inc., trading under the ticker Google, is experiencing notable pressure in the stock market today. Shares have dropped by over 8% following reports that Apple is contemplating the integration of artificial intelligence search capabilities into its Safari browser. This development follows antitrust testimony by Apple's Eddie Q, who indicated that Google's long-standing supremacy in search on Apple devices may soon encounter significant competition. In the short term, this news is likely to diminish investor confidence and result in further declines in Alphabet's stock price as concerns about its competitive position in search grow. The potential decrease in reliance on Google for search functionality within the Safari browser could fundamentally alter online search habits that have traditionally favored Alphabet. The longer-term implications may depend on how effectively Alphabet can utilize its diverse portfolio, which includes YouTube, Google Cloud, and Waymo, each offering considerable growth potential beyond its search operations. Analysts have noted that while the core search segment may be losing traction, the company's overall value remains strong due to these varied assets. However, if investor sentiment does not improve, Google could face a prolonged decline as market anxieties regarding competition from AI-driven alternatives continue. Overall, today's developments mark a crucial juncture for Alphabet and may indicate a shift in investor perception as the traditional search landscape faces unprecedented challenges. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 25th of April, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Google a market perform rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, KeyBank also rated Google as overweight with a hold action. Earlier, on Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, Wedbush rated Google as outperform with a hold recommendation. Back on Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, KeyBank again rated Google as overweight with a hold action. Finally, on Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Google a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Google stock a general buy rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell, while the price-to-book ratio is deemed a strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Google. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025. And to date, it has increased by 4.62%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which may impact the near-term development. The Google stock carries sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. During upward corrections, resistance is expected from the lines at $160.44 and $157.57. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Volume increased while prices declined yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 21 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 7 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 54 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 45 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $146.75. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $17.16, or 11.61%. In the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 3.85%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate low expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, signaling a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.12. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $154.64. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportune moment to consider swing trading. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $146.75. If this support level holds, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Google from various analyst sources is a buy. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 30th of April, 2025, Francis Arnold executed an insider sale of 111 shares of Class C capital stock. On the 25th of April, 2025, Amy Thiener O'Toole conducted an insider sale of 674 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 25th of April, 2025, Amy Thiener O'Toole executed another insider sale of 682 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 25th of April, 2025, Amy Thiener O'Toole made yet another insider sale, this time of 279 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 25th of April, 2025, Amy Thiener O'Toole conducted another insider sale, selling 282 shares of Class C Google stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 34.910. In total, insiders purchased 634,688 shares and sold 1,327,347 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Google stock a good buy? Currently, Google exhibits several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a buy to a sell candidate since our last assessment. After reviewing the volatility and market movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 8th of May, we expect Google to open higher by $3.36, starting trading at $154.74. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.